Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle, and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Start by unclipping the ball joint sensor on the front of the control arms with a flat screwdriver. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. In order to remove the control arms, you'll need to remove its ball joint. Using a 21mm spanner, loosen the ball joint's retaining nut. Using a crowbar, lever off and remove the control arm on the steering knuckle. This can be a long and tedious process. Using a 21mm spanner, a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the rear holding screw on the control arm. Now remove it. Using a socket wrench and a 19mm socket, unscrew the front holding screw on the control arm and remove it. You can now remove the control arm by prying it off with a large screwdriver or crowbar.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Using a 10mm open-end spanner, unscrew the sensor's ball joint. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Screw the ball joint onto the new control arms. Start by brushing, then greasing the location of the control arm to facilitate the installation. Start by inserting the back part and sliding it into its housing. Once in place, roughly screw in the screws by hand. Pivot the control arm to put the front part into the housing. You can use a screwdriver to help line up and screw it in more easily. Then screw the front retaining screw back in. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Then screw the back retaining screw back in. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Put the ball joint into the pivot. Then screw it back in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Reclip the ball joint sensor. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks on tire alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system is in good working order. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.